It's surrounded by Great Lakes. Easy hint. That's practically a gimme. Shout out from Minnesota. You know what? Minnesota got it going on. Y'all got some good stuff. I like all the Somali jokes on Twitter. Minnesota was promised to the Somalians 3,000 years ago. Canada. Okay. Except being 10 degrees. I don't know. Michigan's pretty cold. I like this state. It gets kind of chilly sometimes. It's nice right now, though. And by nice, I mean 40 degrees. Don't you know? Aren't you aware? The Somalians are on the mission. I don't think Somali people are going to ruin anything. I think the majority of Somali people would probably make things better. I think there's just a lot of racism. Ooh, this smells stank. Oh, what the hecky was in this, bro? What did I have in there? I don't even know. Can I ask why you're single? I dated a guy for like a year, and then he picked another girl because she threw hand signs up his private areas. I can't do it. She out-freaked me. What? What are you saying? Lord have mercy. I'm waiting for someone to just like roll up to my house. Somebody's just gonna probably like come in, right? Yeah, I hope you guys are here when somebody gets here. In case somebody tries to get me. They're trying to get me. One step at a time. I want one of those Santa. Do I got a lot of dudes? A lot of girls. A lot of hot women. What can I say? They like what they see. Me, I can pull. I don't know about you boys, but the girls like me. So, just saying. 360. What's your cat's name? I don't have a cat. I don't have any animals. It's me, myself, and I'm here by myself. And the reason is because I work too much. I'm not going to bring an animal into this home. I'm not going to bring an animal into this home and not be able to be there for it and love it. Knife. A knife. Nurse? I do be nursing. No, I'm not a nurse. I do act as a therapist for people as well. Like, not trying to cut this glove. Would you rather lose all of your memories or never be able to make new ones? I'd rather lose all my memories. Easy. Easiest question all night, bro. I'll make new ones. My glasses are not upside down. This is just how they look. Do you have a Twitter? I do, but it's all politics. It's not... And Elon shadow banned me. Shocker there. Like, of course he would. He hates me. Do I have an OF? Nah, bro. Barking up the wrong tree. You wouldn't be able to afford it if I did. Promise you that. You think I'm going to post whole and not charge an arm and a leg? Body part for body part, bro. No. It's unnecessary. What I don't understand is, like, I already know how many OF accounts exist, right? Like, conceptually, it's an insane number, right? Why are you asking me? I'm doing dishes on live. If I was an OF model, you think I'd be doing dishes? I'd have somebody doing dishes for me. Or I'd be doing dishes on OF in a different outfit than this. Maybe. Not an outfit at all. But I can't be bothered. I'm pretty sure if you do OF, one, you have to, like, actually talk to people for real, for real. I already got enough people I talk to every day. I say almost too many people I talk to every day. I have a real girl job. I go into work every day. I just don't think, I don't think anybody should do it. Because I think it's just like another, I don't know. And not that I don't think, like, women shouldn't have total bodily autonomy. Because I do. 1000%. But that is not full bodily autonomy. They're still paying out. You're paying somebody else still at the end of the day. Sounds like a PIMP, baby. And maybe it's an online one, but that's still a PIMP, baby. Promise you that. And then all these girls with them, and they don't make, what do they make? They don't make anything. They don't make enough. Not enough to be posting whole. I don't even think it degrades women because, like, I don't know. I think women are so beautiful and amazing and gorgeous. I don't know. Women are too beautiful. They can't get $1 out of me. And I've been on TikTok's making a lot of money from your dishes. Yeah, probably. They pay me out a little bit. They pay me a little bit on TikTok. Because I have subscribers. People subscribe to me. You know how crazy that is? Why are we subscribing to a goofy person?